Welcome back to another video. Today we have another email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more turbos to deals. Yeah, we got the lowest prices when you need it the most. Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Those are the new hours that Harbor Freight's operating. So if you guys at home, you guys need something, pick up something from Harbor Freight. Or if you're a professional and you need to pick up something from Harbor Freight, this is considered an essential store. So I guess they're gonna be open. So if you guys need any emergency tools out there to, fix something around the house. All right, so we got a 200 lumen LED super bright flip lights, $199. You got the 7 by 9 feet all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $299. You got the ammo dry box, $349. You got the 11-inch cable ties pack of 100, $199. You got a 10-inch pneumatic tire with white hub, $399. You got a 72 by 80 moving blanket, $599. Got a 4.5 cutoff wheels for this is a great deal, guys. Because you're getting 10 pieces there for $5.99. I mean, they're not gonna last you like forever, but they're still gonna work, and you get a 10 pack there to definitely help out. You got the 18 by 12 hardwood movers dolly, $7.99. Got a 588 lumen tactical flashlight. These are great lights. Definitely recommend any type of quantum or brawn light. Definitely recommend any of those lights for you guys from Harbor Freight, $9.99. As you guys can see, they are not super expensive. They're pretty good deals. Got a 29-piece titanium drill bits at $10.99. These are not the best. Obviously they're not gonna last forever. You're getting a lot of bits for $10.99, so definitely a great deal. If you're drilling out like a real tough hole or something on a metal piece or something, I would definitely start out with the smaller ones. Try to get the hole in there and then just work your way around to the hole you're gonna. That way you can give these, if one goes out, you have more spare to go. You got a 5-gallon gas cans diesel, $17.99. You got gas or diesel. 6 amp hour variable speed. Reciprocating stock, $20. Definitely recommend this for you. If you're a DIY, if you just want something to have around the house, don't want to spend so much money, this is a great little saw. It'll work. Got the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $19.99. This is a great pressure washer, guys. This is definitely recommend. I do have a few videos on my channel, so if you guys want to look at that, just Portland pressure washer tool head 147. Search that on YouTube, and you're gonna see all my videos. But yeah, this is definitely a great little sprayer. It does have a lot of power. The only thing I would do is I would upgrade the tip here, so you could put like a quick connect. But other than that, like I said, I do have videos of that. But other than that, this thing's fine. Just the way it works, it's fine for washing vehicles or smaller jobs around the house. You got 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $199.99. Usually on the parking lot sales, we see this for $194.99. So wait for another parking lot sale so you can get that, or for a coupon. Got the 8-channel surveillance DVR, $199.99. That's a good price for that. Definitely, yeah, that's definitely a good price for that. And then it does have the smartphone capability, so you can look at the cameras in the smartphone. 130-piece toolkit with a case, $129.99. Got a 2,000 watt super quiet inverted generator for $79.99. It's a little pricey, but it's probably the best generator that you're gonna get for the money. Usually in the parking lot sales, we see this a little cheaper. But compared to the Honda's like way more than that. So this is a great deal, because you're getting just about the same as a Honda there for the half of the price. You got the 500 lumen LED solar security lights, $23.99. I do have this. This is the newer version of the one that I have. Mine's the 60 LED bright solar security light, something like that. I still have to do a 1 year or 2 year review on it. I think I already have 2 years with mine, so it still works. You got the 100 watt solar panel kit, $149.99. This is the lowest price on this we've seen so far. I believe we haven't seen it cheaper than that. They do work. I still have mine outside. They do produce electricity. You just need to add a battery, and just depending if you're going to be running a house appliance, so you're going to have to buy a small inverter or an inverter. These do produce 100 watts. Not really 100 watts. It's going to be producing like 80 with any solar panel, not just this. If you get any solar panel with 100 or 200 watts, they're going to produce a little bit less. So this is going to produce like 90, 85 or something like that. It's not going to produce you the 100 watts all the time. And plus, these are great because they will produce energy even with a little bit of light left. So if you have a few of these, you can get yourself a little kit, and for emergency situations out there, get a few batteries, maybe 2 or 3 batteries or so, and then just connect and build your own kit. If you guys have more questions about this, I do have a few videos on my channel. Check it out. Just put 100 watt solar panel kit, Toolhead 147 on the search section. 14 9-amp electric chainsaw, $39.99. You got the Badland off-roading headquarters. It says new markdown added. Get coupons now. Oh, and this is the Badland coupons, by the way, if you guys need any of these. Let's see here. It says Badland off-roading headquarters. It says 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with remote control. $289.99. This is not a bad winch. It might be a little slow, but it'll get you where you need to be. Same thing with these. There's nothing wrong with these. So definitely feel free to copy the coupons. This is the new one they have, the 12,000, the Apex Badland, $549.99. Not a bad deal. You're getting a good winch there. And you got some more winches here. Like I said, feel free to use any of these coupons. Take a picture, a screenshot. These coupons are valid through 4/12/20. So you got more than a month to get them. Let's see here. These are on you, by the way. This is the 12,000 pound. 2,500 pound, 3,500 pound, and then the 5,000 pound. This is the wireless remote kit that they have. $29.99. You got the hitch receiver mount for winches. $39.99. And then you got the universal channel winch mounts. $39.99. Then you got the synthetic ropes. This is for the 12,000. This is for the big one. $84.99. And then you have the ATV rope. $24.99. Snatch block. And then this is the new hook that they have. It's a really nice hook. Looks like 12,000 pound forged alloy steel winch hook, $10.99. And then you got the D-ring. I do have the D-ring here. Looks pretty good. Haven't tested it myself. I do have this recovery strap. Like I said, I haven't used any of these two items, but I just do have them. They seem pretty good quality. We'll see how they work. This does have a 20,000 pound brake strength, 9,000 pound working load. And this is, same thing with this 9,500 pound working load. Got the ramps here if you guys need anything for your ATVs or anything. Got the triple ball trailer hitch, $19.99. You got the heavy duty trailer, folding trailer. It's a 48 by 796, $269.99. E-track ring. And then you got the 12 volt LED magnetic towing light and the 4-piece ratcheting tie down, $6.99. the motorcycle wheel lock. Oh, these are great. Definitely recommend these for you guys. Solid rubber wheel chocks. Then you got the Road Shock LED Automotive Marine ATV motorcycle. $79.99 for a 22-inch and $54.99 for a 14-inch. You got the 3-inch LED, $19.99. Got the 8-inch, $34.99, and then light bar wiring kit, $19.99. And then you have the 1,000-pound ATV motorcycle lift, $79.99, and then the 750-pound, $179. Yeah, this is much nicer though. You got the 42-inch off-road firm jack, $47.99, and you got some nice gloves here, $4.99. I do have these; they work pretty good. Then you got the ratcheting kit, $89.99. This is the lowest we've seen it. Definitely recommend this ratchet for you guys. It's a battery powered ratchet. And then you got the 20-volt lithium cordless 3/8 extreme torque impact wrench, $129.99. Then you got the 20-volt lithium cordless 1/2 inch extreme torque, $229.99. These are definitely great prices on these. You got the torque wrench, $11.99. Usually we see this for $9.99. Alright guys, that's it. Short video. Well, actually we just did a few coupons. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.